If your 2018-2022 Honda Accord key fob battery is dead, don't worry. You can still start your car. First, locate the hidden mechanical key within your key fob. Flip the fob, press the release button, and remove the metal key blade. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. This bypasses the electronic entry system. Now enter the vehicle. Once inside the vehicle, place the dead key fob directly on or very near the engine's start-stop button on the dashboard. Press and hold the start-stop button for 2 to 3 seconds. The car will scan the fob's RFID chip and, if detected, will start the engine. Note that the RFID chip does not need the battery to function, only proximity to the button. If this doesn't work, the fob battery may be critically low and require immediate replacement or possibly reprogramming at a Honda dealer. A CR 2032 battery, costing $5 to $10, will solve the issue.